Good morning, children. Today we will read a poem from your book Honeycomb. The name of the poem is The Rebel. So, who is rebel? A rebel is a person who always disagrees with you and he likes to do the opposites of what everyone loves to do. So, let's read in the poem. What is the nature of rebel? When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So poet says in this line, when everybody has short hair, the rebel wants to keep his hair long, and when everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Means when everybody interact and participate in the class discussion, rebel keep quiet, and when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel break his silence and create disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. It means when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel put on fancy and colorful dresses, and when everybody wears fancy clothes, the rebel wears simple dresses. In the company of dogs lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for dog. It means when everybody prefers dog, the rebel expresses his preference for cats. And in the group of cats lover, he praises dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. It means when everybody longs for sunlight, the rebel longs for rain, and when everybody welcomes the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and read a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. It means when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stay at home and read a book. And when everybody stays at home, he do opposite and goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It means when everybody agree, the rebel disagrees. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be done. So in the last line the poet says, the rebels are necessary because they help us look at life in different way. But these practice may not suit everyone. Thank you.